In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a geomap chart in Google Looker Studio. A geomap chart is perfect for visualizing your data across locations, whether that's by country, region, city, or postal code. I'll walk you through getting the chart onto your report, handling common errors, and making sure your location field is set up correctly so the map renders as expected. Start by opening Google Looker Studio and heading to your reporting home. From there, open the report where you want the map to live. If the report opens in view mode, switch to edit so you can make changes. Editing mode gives you access to all the tools you need to add and configure charts on the canvas. Next, add the chart. Select. Add a chart at the top, then choose GeoChart from the list. Click and drag on the page to draw the chart's placement and size. As soon as it's placed, Looker Studio will attempt to populate it with a dimension and a metric. If your data source already has a recognized geographic field, you might see the map populate immediately. If you see an invalid dimension message, don't worry. That simply means the current dimension isn't recognized as geographic. In the chart's right-hand panel, locate the dimension field and select a proper geo dimension from your data source, such as country, region, city, or postal code. Make sure the field itself is typed as geodata in your data source, not just plain text, so Looker Studio can interpret it. Your metric can be any numeric value you want to visualize, like sessions, revenue, or count of records. If one is auto-selected, you can keep it or swap it later. If your dataset doesn't have a geotyped field yet, create one directly from the chart. Click Add Calculated Field. Give it a clear display name so you'll recognize it later in your fields list. Then set the data type. Choose Geo, and within that category, pick postal code if you're mapping zip or postal codes. In the formula area, reference your existing postal code data. Use the field that contains those codes or a simple expression that returns them in the expected format. When you're done, click Apply. Back in the chart setup, use this new calculated field as your geo dimension, and the map should update to reflect your data. That's it. You've added a geochart, resolved an invalid dimension, and ensured your location data is properly typed. From here, you can fine-tune styling and colors and verify that values appear in the right places on the map.